Okay, perfectly done. Okay, guys, fine. That was profitable. 11, even $12,000. So, hello guys, how are you? Are you ready to make some big money? If yes, then we are ready to start. Okay, my friends, so today I'm using just two indicators, MACD indicator together with Donchian channel. So today, my dear friends, I would like to show you the best and fastest profits ever. We have opened first buy position with an investment of just $75. MACD indicator is telling us about long position. Together with that, we have broken through the middle line of the Donchian channel. I expect the further growth. By the way, we are using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we are investing our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So guys, that's it. Now we're just waiting for the money. During this trade, give us just some seconds and we will get our profit here. Yep, that's it. The first trade was profitable one. Let's continue. Let's check USD INR currency pair. So concerning the next trade, we have invested $144. We can see that price cannot overcome the upper edge of the channel. That's why we're expecting the possible drop towards the middle line of the Donchian channel, and we have open sell position according to this movement, according to this prediction. Okay, perfectly done. $300 now in our account. Let's check the next currency pairs that we can trade. Yep, today we have lots of currency pairs, honestly, around 8 pairs. I don't think that we will use all of them. However, it will be interesting to check most of them. Let's change our investment to $276 and check Euro Audi currency pair. What can we see here? MACD indicator is telling us about the short. Together with this, we have big green candle that has shown us bullish consumption of the previous fall. I expect the possible drop right now. That's why we have open sell position here. As you can see, price has already reached the middle line of the Donchian channel, and yep, highly likely we will drop right now. Okay guys, so that was profitable one. Let's continue. Let's check USD PKR currency pair. According to the MACD indicator, it's giving us long signal. We can observe a very strong uprising trend. There is no chance for the drop. That's why we of course open buy position here in the continuation of the current upgoing movement. Fine, that's good. Let's continue. Let's check USD IRS currency pair. What do we have here? We have reached the middle line of the Donchian channel, and we're expecting the breakthrough of it and continuation of the current drop. That's why we're opening sell position here. Let's check out the USD currency pair right now. So what do we have here? Price cannot break through the strong line of resistance. Oscillator is telling us about long. I expect price to do one more test of breaking through the level of resistance, and that's why I've opened buy position here, expecting price to finally break through this level of resistance and continue growing. My friends, by the way, don't forget while watching this video to check the description to it and subscribe to my private TG. Link for it you can find in the description. In my TG you will find lots of cool stuff, such as daily analytics, daily trading signals and much more. And by the way, you can participate in the same kinds of trading sessions each day at the scheduled time in my VIP channel. And how can you get access to it? Everything is very simple. You write me a private message, tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, and I will automatically add you here. So everything is for free. All you need is just to make deposit on the Quotex market of at least $50 and start trading. That's the only condition that I have. And of course, use my link when you register deposit on the Quotex. So now I have around $3,600. Let's check Euro AUD currency pair. MACD indicator is telling us about the long. I expect the breakthrough of the current level of resistance. That's why I opened buy position here with an investment of $3,000. Okay, perfectly done, guys. That was profitable. Let's continue. Let's check USD BDT currency pair. So as you see, price has reached a strong level of support after the drop. I expect price to grow towards the middle line of the Donchian channel. We have opened here 2 buy positions with total investments of $6,000. And yep, that's it. So now we just need to wait a little bit until we get our money here. Nothing new. Let's just wait a little bit. And yep, that's it, my friends. Just look at this. We earned around 11, even $12,000 just from $75. $75 turned into $12,000. Only I can show you the same kinds of results. And if you want to understand how to trade like a pro, like this, like a real millionaire, check description, subscribe to my TG, and be with me. Be millionaire. Thank you for your attention, guys. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye-bye.